Director General Jong Pulit ke Jela, Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang ilapan pau ya ke Jingkiew sarong Jong halor ke Jing nang yai bun Jong Kynthei kibarung Syakakam Pulit hakasngi passing out parade Jong Pulit Constable haka First MLP Battalion Armed Police Training Center ha Maulai Mauyong hakasngi Ningkong. Ya ka passing out parade layalam da uba HG Lingdo ubadai Commandant Jong ka First Battalion MLP Mauyong. Ka DGP kalaong ba kalong ka Jingkiew ka bakraw bat ka basngo dengan shikadai ban yoi shu yaki Kynthei ha ka Kampulen.
It is indeed with even more pleasure that I see that nearly 50% of the constables passing out today are from the female contingent. Yes, we talk about the need for having more and more representations from the ladies in the police force. It is always with a great sense of gratitude and with a great sense of relief that we see such things happening more and more in the days which we have just witnessed.
Ka Joint Directorate Quality Committee